this way daw. Ay, tuunay pala tayo.
Show, it will start 1:55 p.m. at Savanna Tour. Okay? Teachers, turn on the flash of the phones, no shouting or smoking. Do not leave the animals until you touch them. Everyone enjoy the rest.
Pero ay ang alala mo dito natin. Yay!
No shouting.
Dito ko nakasuyo tira pa dili natin ko.
Ari ka na.
Ayan.
Kaya nasa angkon.
Kana oh.
At ang binang-ilod na. Ay, okay naman siya dire. Nagatas tampi dia.
Diri ka sa diyan na lang diri. May mura man nag-imo ng palingkuron diha.
Ang dami nila, no? Yung pen sa kanila, ang dami. Saka ano, hindi sila nakatali. Pigeon pala siya. Kaya ka, Drake? Are you happy? Ang ganda. Naliligo siya. Naliligo mo na siya. Higit ng parrot eh, no?
It's a parrot.
Red parrot.
It's a parrot. Quack.
Drake, ari doon, emutog doon sa imo. Ganun ka, ma.
Di man siguro na mamaa.
Laka! Hala! Dami nila!
Saan na wala ito. Kumana naman sa ilon lang.
Hadlok siya, hadlok.
Ayun ma'am, bird feeding. 50
Bird feeding, ma'am.
Si ano, ma? Uy, kayo. Sayang yung 50, Char. Kami doon na, ito na.
Bird feeding, ma'am, sir.
Ikakat ko na lang. Sige. 1, 2, smile. Dre, ikaw naman.
Saan mo na yung kuling-kuling usa? Kuha na lang eh.
Dre, tingin dito, Dre. Dre, tingin dito.
Yawa.
O, ikaw naman.
Hindi ko matry ka. Nakitanda pa.
Hi. Okay, next. Kayo. Nangatingin siya. Lolo, hawakan niya ako. Ako nga, pero.
Buka ma, buto ma. Ano ba, itahan ka ba?
Itahan ko!
Kuha naman ma, kukuha naman.
Makain siyang papaya.
Ayun ma'am, pesos lang ma'am.
Papaya pala to.
Oo.
Lang naman si Udoy.
Oo, kamadre.
Ito ba, gawa ko pag ako si Quinta. Yes, chickens.
Bird feeding sir ma'am. 50 pesos.
Paubos mo muna. Sarap naman ang kain na yan. Papaya.
Hello.
Ito ay yung bata sa'yo. Pupunta talaga sila sa ulo, no? Cute. Hi! Kumita yung ano niya eh, mga sangla niya. Mga narimata. Ganda ng kulay sa ano, no? Green na green. Oo. Itlak, ano mo yan? Tigawin mo YouTube. Or Safari Adventure. Harap mo dito po.
Dino, ito yung outfit sa Cebu.
Uy, gawin mo. YouTube yan. Gawin YouTube ni ate, di ba ate? Ito na yung bird show mamaya. Ha? Yung bird show mamaya. 1:45 p.m. Lagi gagmay pa na. Bata pa na siya. Wow! Wow! So big! Wala pa yung bata. Ang daming giraffe po. Ang dami. So we're here? Are we here? Tara.
Lulukoy ko yung layo naman yan.
Talaga ba, ma?
Practice.
Tuloy.
May na ganitong tubig.
Itong bakalong sa ilo, no?
Naugan. Sige siya.
Yan lang na.
Katawa. May pasikuan.
Seated while the truck is moving, secure your hold on the grab bars and avoid using flash photography. Lastly, please don't try to extend your fingers outside the truck. And here inside, we have 3 white lions, namely Max, Jack, and Robot. They were bred and raised in captivity in France. They are all males. Also, they are more active at night.
Oh,
They're natural during daytime. Around 9 to 10 a.m. they are still awake, but the rest of the time they will really sleep.
Mauna ni siyang tuloday, wala na ilain.
We have another lions, ma'am, but lions are territorial, di na mo sila pwede kuyog tanan. Later, makita ninyo ang African lion. After niyo sa African savanna, na ay African lion.
Pagkakala lagi naman. Matas lagi.
Mag-picture ka na. Hindi, mag-picture ka din. Humanin natin. One, two, three. Ay, nalagi po si Pusa, oy. Dali, daw. One, two.
Wala, te.
Smile.
Yes.
Oh, ikot, ikot, ikot. Sana umikot kayo, di ba?
Welcome to Cebu Safari Spirit Show. Now, ladies South America, but lives in the rainforests of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. So for our first act, we have here 2 sample trash bins, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trashes. Now let's see how Amigo can clean up his mess. First, he picks up a paper cup, walks all the way, open the biodegradable bin, and he drops it inside. Good bird. Now for the second one, he picks up a crumpled paper, open the biodegradable bin, and he drops it inside. Nice one, buddy. Now for the third one, he picks up a plastic bottle, open the bin, and he drops it inside. Last one. Again, he picks up another plastic bottle, walks all the way, open the non-biodegradable bin, and he drops it inside. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? Now hands together to our snatching prey in flight, our Brahmini guide named Shadow. Again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. It is for your own safety, but wait, there's more. Here comes your brother of Shadow, Argus. Now for our next prominent guide, please let me welcome Cloud. So Brahmini guide, you have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown.
Ayaw niya dun.
Now, did you all know that Brahmini guides, they are formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but they're locally known here in the Philippines.
Konti lang kasi yung laman niya eh.
Another fun fact about the oryx is that they can survive without drinking water for several months or even a year due to their low metabolism. So they just get the moisture from the plants that they eat. And also if you're watching the Peppa Pig, that's Madame Gazelle. And at the back with lots of
The longest
the
one.
are what we call the wildebeest. Wildebeest are known as the clown of the savannah because they will do these silly dance movements to attract the females during their mating season. And also if you're familiar with the movie The Lion King where Mufasa died, they are the ones who caused the
Sundan pa tayo. Yan pa, yan pa. Wala na po pang ibang zebra. Kasi mas zebra lang po, masaya na po kami. Ayan na naman yung zebra mo. Excuse me, Belle. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay na isa, oh, brown. Ayan, oh, brown.
And also zebras are omnivorous. They only eat plants.
Ang ganda talaga ng zebra.
Traveling, they take the opportunity to sleep. In fact, zebra sleep standing up, but they will only sleep when they're in a position so that they can be alerted of danger. And that one, British Grand Prix, what we call impala. Impala are known as the incredible jumpers of the savannah. They can live up to 3 meters high and cover.
Wow.
Silalay man yun.
Wala na kang tawa na nakaon.
Grabe.
Dako. Silalay oh. Silalay.
Oo nga. Uy, kinakain din yung meat niya na.
Kaya nga.
Crocodile meat.
Yung ginagawang ano eh, yung mga sapatos.
Lalay.
Say, ano daw pangalan nito dito? Abi, pangay na siya. Hello.
Asa ka ma?
Ha? I'm here. It's Safari Carmen, Cebu.
Ah, meron pa isa dito.
Mas mahaba to, pareho lang. Dagat ng gibukan si ano. Ay, tubig ay, nagasit ka mo. Gikan na ba na sa ilaw? Di ay.
我不需要看很多的。
Di, bayagi ka na dito sa tubo. Oh.
Ay, ito mas maliit. Cute.
Another one? Oh, smaller. Baby crocodile. Hala. Kadaghan.
Ganito sa Thailand, ma. Ganito kadami sa Thailand. Uy!
Crocodiles feeding answer 100 pesos per slice.
Ano daw?
Experience.
Ano binibenta? May ano?
Hindi, paano? Feeding, crocodile feeding.
Ano, may
Ay, ang dami! Hindi ka dito, ang dami! Look at that! There's so many! Oh, look at that! Ang dami, oh. Meron pa din, oh.
daghan. Daghan nila eh.
Ang dami ma, daghan
Daghan
kayo.
kayo ba? Silang mo, daghan na eh.
Nga, satisfy na kanilalay. Ay, ang dami pa dun oh. Oh.
Ikaw kita mahulog diha dan.
Tara rin bridge na Tortoise. Living pa kayo?
It's a turtle! It's a turtle.
Kanla yun. Ay, anong uba man as? Ang ganda, no? Ang daming extra.
Oh, connecting room. What is the meaning of this jar? So nice.
Isang... Ayaw nga. Ganda to. Alam ko natin, pag nainip ako sa bukid, hindi. Mag-check.
Are you happy?
Happy daw ba?
Ligo ka na?
Nawa ang yan sapot, eh.
Kain muna tayo.
Hi, good morning. We're having breakfast here at Cebu City. Enjoy!
Enjoy kahit siya yung kumakain.
Pagpasi mo ka na asa. Oy, ang imong anak ko. Oh. Magkape. Wala.
Videoan ko kayo habang kumakain.
Sabot mo dyan natin sa kuwan. Minut-minut na lugar na eh. Implemente na o. Atapan mo dire-res. Gawas na mo din ang sinasagan sa... Kaon lagi sa... Tinidor nila. Bakit ang tinidor? Nag-alarm ko si ate.
One, two,
Huwag mo na picture yun, Teo. Wala mag-amati.
Ngayon tanong daw.
Hi guys. We're done eating our breakfast. And now we're heading upstairs. to take a nap again. Okay?
Wag gini siya. Artistahin.
Hello?
Maganyan.
Ding ding.
Balik nagkatabi at ayaw.
Wala na si Pune. Kaya madalagal na lang. Pwede nga akong magtrabaho sa ano eh. Kasi magtrabaho ko ya. Degree 8 eh. Oo. Degree 8. Hawak niya hindi. Kaya nagkakatinan. Kasi, yes,
Warm up.